Hello and welcome back to TTMG. My name is Praveen. So today we will be talking about this. We'll be unboxing. To be honest, I have already unboxed from the shop and I have connected the pin lock and the intercom as well, right? So if you follow my channel, you would have probably seen the video, the vlog, everything in detail, right? So without wasting time, let me quickly go ahead and unbox. So this is LS2 FF805 Thunder Aero GP, not Aero Pro or GP Pro. This is Aero GP. This is fully carbon, black color. So it comes with one extra smooth visor. I haven't opened it yet, right? So keep it aside, and you also get few things. Let me quickly open it. Sorry for the noise. So these are the tags that come with it. GP Aero spoiler black, LS2 FF805 Thunder Z Thunder Carbon GP Aero, and you can see download the manual technology, and you get 5-year warranty on LS2 helmets. Scan the QR code to register the product. So I have to register the product as well. That's one thing. And this was inside the helmet on the right side. Basically we removed it so that we can put in all the extra cables inside it, and for the cable management. They didn't tie it up, but they did a pretty decent job. And you have these reflectors, right? So if you see this image, these reflectors can be connected at different locations, but it's a black helmet, and at night if you're riding, this will act as a reflector. It's basic thing that I hope everyone will understand. And it comes with some 405 tear-offs if you're doing off-road or something. So don't misunderstand, this is a tear-off. If you go for off-ride and muddy road, and if there's a lot of mud that is supposed to hit your helmet, you use it so that you can peel it off and throw it off. You don't reuse it. And this reduces the visibility. This is not something that will protect your helmet from rainfall, the water. Don't misunderstand, that's a completely different product available in the market, or some people use spray so that the water will drip off and it will not stay and it will not affect the visibility. But this is completely different and for a different purpose. Then comes the anti-fog or the pinlock max. It's a 120 max pinlock visor. I bought this setup from Trivandrum. This is Helmet World in the city, right? So they have it multiple places: Jawaharnagar, Karakotam, then Karamana. At different places they have this shop. I forgot the actual place. Golf Link Road. That's where I bought that shop, right? I ordered it, pre-ordered it. I asked him that I want this helmet. In fact, I bought a different helmet called LS2 Challenger, and it had some quality issues, so we had to replace it, and that product was not available. So I got this replaced. So as soon as I bought the helmet, the chrome in the helmet, it started peeling off, or the color started fading. Let me keep it aside, it's making too much noise. Now apart from that, you have the helmet, and you have a cushion inside it, and the bag. There's no other row in the bag, you can just keep it, and you have one zip here, one pocket here, you can keep some stuff. So this is the bag. You can carry your helmet anywhere you go. If you have a what do you call it, as like top box, right? So you can keep it in that, or you can put it in your shoulders as well. And let me take the helmet out. Whoa. Okay, so this is our helmet. It's carbon fiber, fully carbon fiber. I think 6 shells carbon fiber, 1300 gram, 1280 ish, I would say. Very lightweight, very lightweight. I mean, like, I wore it back from the shop, and I didn't feel that there is a helmet as such, and it's very tight fit, so probably will get used to it in a month's time. I have to use it for a couple of rides, then I'll get used to it. Apart from that, absolutely amazing helmet. Wind noise, I didn't test it out much. I was wearing the glove, I couldn't figure out where are the inlets and how to close it. It was all closed and I couldn't hear much wind noise coming in. But again, depends upon your bike, all right? So yeah, that's this side, and this is how it looks from the front. And this side, the back side, and you can see it's ISI. It has the ISI mark, so it can be used in India. This is GP Aero Pro 1300 is what is mentioned in the website, but it says 1280. Probably they just rounded it off, I'm not sure. Okay, and these are the vents. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, probably you should be able to see. Yep, there are two vents at the top, and there is one on your forehead here, then one on your chin, and you press this button and then open the visor. It has got this two stops, 1 2 1 2, right? That's for the safety purposes. And talking about the inside, we have already connected our intercom. This is a Indian brand. This is called Blue Armor C30. That's what we use. So the speakers are already inside. It comes with JBL speakers. Amazing sound quality. Let me just connect it. Yep. I don't know if you would be able to see the speakers inside, but yeah, good. And it has enough space at the front of your chin to keep a DJI transmitter, right? There's a DJI transmitter TRX, so it can be kept here. So that's how I was using it in my NT. So I've pasted or I've connected the magnet. We'll have to keep it for around 24 hours for the magnet to settle in, because there's a double side tape, and probably after 24 to 48 hours I'll start using that mic. So yeah, that's it. And this is how the pinlock looks. It comes with red color and it looks absolutely amazing, killer, along with this black helmet. It's a completely black helmet. Now what we're probably going to do is we're going to see how we can remove this visor, and we'll put that smoked visor and we'll see how it looks. This is the first time I'm removing it, so excuse me, I might take some time. Yep, now probably we just have to pull it off, I believe. Just bring down this lock thing to the bottom and just pull it. Hola! You can see the pin lock is inserted in here. You can see it, how it's connected. The pin lock. Yep. So I'll safely keep this aside. Now let me open this. Too many plastics. Yep, this is it. Let's connect one by one. Oh. Oh yeah, we finally managed to connect. Now we need to lock this and this side as well. think we are good. How is it? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? Oh, even this one is like racing spoiler, UV and scratch protection, resistant ultralight, 6K carbon fiber, double D ring, white peripheral vision, 22.06 ECE, ready for pin lock. LS2 4X by carbon, ready for LS2 intercom. PS Sport Moto, whatever that it is. So this is a large size helmet. So you can see for yourself how it looks. And from sideways, probably I'll keep this inside. And we'll wear it and we'll see. That's it. Okay, we are good. So this is how the helmet looks like. How is it? Good. You see more? Yep. So I checked in YouTube and I couldn't see any videos, properly showing it off. To have a good look. So I'm showing it from all angles, with the visor, without visor, with a smoke visor, how to connect it, how to remove it, how it feels, right? Yeah, you can see from all angles. You put on the jacket, get on your bike, black jacket, black bike, or maybe red bike, black gloves, black shoes, black jeans, or black, whatever that, leather jeans, leather pants. It will look killer. And it's value for money. That's the best thing about it. Rather than going for AGV or any other brands with carbon fiber, this comes at a killer price. Hope you liked the video. I'll probably add some cinematics if possible, or maybe at least I'll put a camera in front and I will put some ride videos right after this coming your way.